For a delicious and healthy breakfast option, Oats Bagels can be a great choice. Begin by placing 90 grams of yogurt into a pot. Next, add 1 egg yolk to the yogurt. Then, measure out 1½ cup of grinded oats. Take 1 cup of the grinded oats and mix it thoroughly with the yogurt and egg yolk. Gradually add the remaining ½ cup of grinded oats while kneading the dough until everything is well combined. Once the dough is ready, divide it in half and shape each portion into a bagel. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top for added flavor and texture. Place the formed bagels into an air fryer or in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 20 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy this healthy bread alternative as part of your morning routine. For more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.